There's his eyes.
Look at Mommy.
He is.
Cheese.
Cheese. Now you know that's just
Say
gas.
hi.
Just a little gas.
What's Virgo? What's Virgo?
I don't know. Did you take it from her?
Yep.
So it don't get broken in half? Because I'm not paying $24 for another one. Say cheese again. Oh, it's tooting this time. That time it was gas.
Well, look at the camera and say hello.
Open your eyes. You have a little furry mustache. See his little baby fur on his mustache.
See, there's that dimple. There you can see it a little bit on the left side.
That baby fur falls off his face later.
He's like, I'm a man. I'm supposed to have fur on my face.
Oh, that's...
Ooh. Ooh. I thought he was going to throw up there a second. He went like this.
Throw up in my mouth.
And he went like this. He went, when you weren't looking, he went.
Just made me throw up in my mouth.